Section 2.1 Rate of change and the derivative. Example 1. Find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of the function f of x equals 5 square root of x at the point 3, 5 square root of 3. We will follow the above formula to find the slope first, and then we will plug it into the line equation of the tangent line. So m equals limit as x approach c. C in this case is 3. F of x is 5 square root of x minus f of c is 5 square root of 3. X minus 3. So we will need to calculate this limit. Now the first thing to do, you might factor out the 5. Okay, so you see the 5 here and a 5 in front of the square root of x. We factor it out. Okay, because we can factor out constant from the limit. So we have square root of x minus square root of 3, x minus 3. Now, if you do direct substitution, you realize that if you plug in 3, 3 minus 3 is 0 in the denominator. So direct substitution won't work. Since we have square root, we need to think about the conjugate. So we multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate, square root of x, square root of 3, because it's a negative sign here, we need a positive sign here for the conjugate. So we multiply top and bottom by the conjugate. Then we FOIL the top, which we will get 5 times limit as x approach 3. The top is the difference of square formula, so we will get rid of the square root, so x minus 3 on the top. Now in the bottom, we don't want to FOIL because we want to cancel the x minus 3. Okay, so because we have square root of x minus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 3, we cancel. So the limit we will have is 5 times limit as x approach 3, 1 over square root of x plus square root of 3. So we plug in 3 for x. The slope we will get is 5 times 2 square root of 3 in the denominator. So then we rationalize the fraction. So multiply top and bottom by square root of 3, we get 5 over 6 square root of 3 as the slope. So once we know the slope, we plug it into the point slope form of the equation of the tangent line. So we have y minus f of c is 5 square root of 3, okay, equal m is 5 over 6 square root of 3, x minus c in this case is 3. So this is a point slope form of the equation.